Black guy.
What? Hey Peter, tell us how you netted that fish.
It came to me.
You did a good job netting it, man.
Thank you.
Because without you, without the netter, ain't no fish.
Without the net, there's no fish.
Ain't no fish. You hear that, Tony? You hear that, Tony? If there's no netter, there's no fish.
Netter's like the kicker, man. In football. He don't sound
Hey,
important,
Chris!
it's important.
Christopher! Along! Along! You number one!
He don't talk much, but he catch a lot of fish.
Hey, pull it up. Pull it out of the water real quick.
Hey, this is I when they try home. Yeah,
Okay.
You want a beer, son? Here's a beer.
That's all Christopher's fish.
Oh!
4! Hey, go ahead, man. He don't have his cell phone.
I got water. Money dries, man. Don't worry. Money dries.
Money dries.